So what is data science? Imagine having the power to transform raw data into insights worth millions. That's the attractive essence of data science. Now picture this. With every 1% of improvement in data-driven decision making, companies can gain an average increase of $2 million in their revenue. Data scientists work with numbers, machine learning, and programming languages, bringing actionable insights from huge data sets. So buckle up for the ride of a lifetime, because in the world of data science, every bite counts. Wondering why become a data scientist? Let's break it down. First off, it's a gold rush out there. $120,000 per annum. That's how much a data scientist earns. Secondly, there are 11 million job openings in data science worldwide. And lastly, you know how common remote work is getting nowadays. Almost 56% of data scientists have the freedom to work from anywhere. What do you think a data scientist does? Data scientists wear many hats. A data scientist collects the data, cleans and wrangles the data, models the data, visualizes the data, and does exploratory data analysis on it. There's no one-size-fits-all path in becoming a data scientist. Here are some key skills you need to be on the right track. Number 1. Programming languages. Python and R are used in approximately 80 to 90% of data science projects due to its extensive libraries and versatility. Number 2. Statistics and probability. You have to have a deep understanding of statistics. As a data scientist, you spend almost 30 to 40% of your time doing statistical analysis. Number 3. Machine learning. You're going to have to master machine learning algorithms because you're going to spend a fair amount of time in building and refining models. Number 4. Data cleaning and data wrangling. Data cleaning and data manipulation takes about 60 to 70% of a data scientist's time. Number 5. Communication skills. A data scientist spends about 20 to 30% of their time in conveying complex findings to the right audience in a very clear and understandable manner. Are you ready to dive into the world of data science? Let me show you how you can get started. A. Online courses. Avionics offers over 100 courses on data science, spending about 30 to 60 hours per course on an average. B. Boot camps. Intensive boot camps last between 12 to 16 weeks, providing immersive learning experiences to prepare you for an entry-level data science role. And C. Get hands-on. Participation in online hackathon and Kaggle competition can give you practical experiences. Now finally, do you wonder what is the future of data science? The field of data science sees an annual growth rate of 25% approximately, indicating a constant influx in new opportunities and challenges. As you progress in your career, you can specialize in diverse domains. Data scientists report an average increase in their salary around 20 to 30% on acquiring specialized skills. The possibilities of growth and specialization in data science are virtually limitless, offering you the chance to carve out a dynamic and rewarding career path tailored to your expertise and interests.